Hello students, myself Nilesh sir welcomes you on the behalf of Awesome Pathak School. Dear students, in the last lecture I have explained you how to find out the zeros. Now today in this lecture we are continuing the chapter number 2 and this will be the last lecture of chapter number 2, polynomials. So we have started chapter number 2, that is chapter polynomials. It is a very interesting chapter. Dear, in this chapter already we have discussed about the alpha, beta, that is quadratic polynomial. We have taken out the divisions, then we have formed the quadratic polynomial, that is x square minus sum x, sum matlab alpha plus beta x, and product plus product, that is alpha into beta. So this was a topic over here. So in the last lecture I have explained you about exercise 2.3 question number up to question number 3 we have explained up. But question number 4 was left. We have done it by the method px equals to gx into dx plus rx, that is dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So this was a method of solving the sums over there. But example number 5 in your textbook, it has been given example number 5 that verify minus 3, minus 1 and 1 upon 3 are the zeros of the cubic polynomial where px, that is 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11x minus 3, and then verify the relationship. So dear, we are not knowing about the cubic. I have explained you about the quadratic. Quadratic means alpha and beta. Cubic means where we will get 3 zeros. When you get 3 zeros, that is cubic. So it is an example over here, example number 5. So what was the example here? We have to prove that it is example number 3, example 5 of your textbook. It's an star mark. Sometimes it has been not been asked in the optional. It is an optional questions. But for a knowledge part, you should know what is cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial having a degree of 3. Polynomial having a degree of 2 is known as quadratic, but polynomial having a degree 1 is known as linear. We have discussed the first two, but now today we are going to discuss the cubic polynomial. So the p of x being given to you, that is x cube 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11x and minus 3. Now dear, you have been given the 3 zeros. Whether it is a zeros or not, that we have to find it up. So first given was p of 3. Now what we will do, in the question it has been given, verify 3 minus 1 and 1 upon 3. Minus 1 upon 3 are the zeros. So we have to verify it, whether it is a 0 or not. So whatever will be, wherever you will find x, there we will put 3. 3 cube, 5, 3 square, 11, 3, minus 3. 3, 27, 3 cube is 27, 5, 9, 33, minus 3. 27 into 3, it will be 81. Minus 45 minus 33 minus 3. Now when we add, because it is all having negative sign, so 81 minus 81, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 5 1, carry 1, 81, 0. You have to check whether you are getting the answer 0 or not. Once you get the answer 0, then it is the cubic polynomial factor. Now we are applying p, that is minus 1. It has been question minus 1. So wherever you will find x, you will put minus 1, 3, minus 1 cube, 5, minus 1 square, 11, minus 1, 3. 3, minus 1, minus square will be plus 5, 1, plus 11 minus 3. It will be minus 3 minus 5 plus 11 minus 3. Now you are seeing 3 minus over here. Minus 3 minus 5. That will be minus 8 and minus. So 11 minus 11, you got 0. Again you have got the answer 0. Like that, now we will put the third value p, that is 1 upon 3. Wherever you will get x, you have to put the value minus 1 upon 3. So the question is 3 minus 1 upon 3, 5 minus 1 upon 2 square minus x की जगह पर minus 1 by 2 and 3. Wherever you will find x, we have put up the value minus 1 upon 3. 3 1 upon 27, 3 cube is 27, minus 5 1 by 4 plus 11 by 2, minus minus will be plus, and 3. Now I am just cancelling it. So we got minus 1 by 9 minus 5 by 4 plus 11 by 2 minus 3. Now what we will do? We will do the LCM. 9, 4, 2, 1 LCM will be 36. In the table of 9, 36 come 4 times. So 4 into 1 minus 4. In the table of 4, 36 comes 9 times. 9 5s are 45. In the table of 2, 36 comes 18. Right now? 18 2s are 18 into 11. It will be 18 multiply with 11. So we got 18, 18. That is 198. And in the table of 1, 36. 36 into 3, 108. So 36 3s are 108. Now again we are just checking. 9 in the table of 9, it is coming up. So just we have put up the value. What was the questions over here? Sorry, it was a simple mistake has been done. By mistake, you can see over here, we have to put the value 3. I have put it out by mistake. I have put it down the value 2. Extremely sorry for that part. We have to put the value 3 over here, then 3 over here. Extremely sorry for that part, beta. Now again I am taking that same thing. 3 multiply minus 1 upon 27. 5 minus will be plus, 3 square will be 9. Then plus 11 by 3 minus 3. Now I am cancelling. So what you got? Minus 1 by 9, minus 5 by 9, plus 11 by 3 and 3 upon 1. It was my mistake over here. I have written down 2 over here, but it is 3 because on the questions it is 1 upon 3. Now I am taking the LCM. 9 3 1 will be 9 only. So it will be minus 1 minus 5 plus 33 and 9 3s are 27. Now you can see over here that minus 1 and minus 5, minus 6 and minus 27. It will be minus 33. So 33 minus 33 upon 9. So we got the 0. So this was in method. Students, first we have check out that you can see over here every time we got the answer 0. Once you get the 0, now there is a method of getting the different answer. You can get the different answers now. Now what is the remaining part of the questions? Verify that 3 minus 1 and 1 upon 3 are the zeros of the cubic polynomial of p of x, that is was be given, and now verify the relationship. Now we have to verify the relationship. So students, now you can see over here you are being given the 3 zeros. So let alpha equals to 3, beta equals to minus 1 and gamma equals to minus 1 upon 3. I have taken out the 3. Now I am going to make you understand about the cubic polynomial. Now there is a formula. First what we will do, we will add alpha plus beta plus gamma. Once we will do the additions, that is 3 minus 1 and minus 1 by 3. I took the LCM. 3 3s are 9 minus 3 minus 1. So what you have got? It will be 5 upon 3. What I have done? Alpha plus beta plus gamma. I have done addition. Now there is a second part. I will make you understood about the cubic polynomial formula. Now the second one is alpha into beta, alpha beta, beta gamma and gamma alpha. We will have to calculate this one. Alpha, beta, beta gamma and gamma alpha. Now what is the value of alpha? We are using in the bracket 3 multiply minus 1 plus beta minus 1 multiply minus 1 by 3 plus 3 into minus 1 upon 3. I just done the multiplication and took the minus sign over here. It will be minus 3 minus minus plus plus will be plus 1 upon 3. These 3 cancelled, plus minus will be minus 1. Now I am taking the LCM. So it will be minus 9 plus 1 and minus 3. Now when we will do simplify, minus 9 and minus 3 will be minus 12. Minus 12 plus 1, it will be minus 11 upon 3. So this was an answer of minus 11 upon 3. Now the third one, that is alpha, beta and gamma. This has been given in your book. The formula has been given in your book about alpha, beta, gamma, alpha, beta, beta, gamma and gamma alpha, then alpha, beta and gamma. This is plus, this is multiply by 200 and we have to do the product. Now alpha, that is 3 multiply minus 1 multiply minus 1 by 3. Now we cancel this is to this, minus minus will be plus. Now dear, we have got the 3 part. Now we are forming a cubic polynomial. Now I am writing down the formula of cubic polynomial. So cubic polynomial equals to having a formula, that is x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma x square plus alpha beta, beta gamma and gamma alpha x and minus alpha, beta and gamma. So this is a formula of getting the cubic polynomial. Once you have to ask you've been asked to find out the cubic polynomial, you have to use that formula. I have also explained you about the quadratic polynomial, that is x square minus some x plus product. So this is a formula of cubic. Ki x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma x square plus in the bracket alpha beta, beta gamma and gamma alpha x and then alpha beta and gamma. So you have to find out the cubic. So we are having the 3 degrees. Now we will put up the values what you have got over here. X cube alpha beta gamma you have got 5 upon 3 x square, alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha with the plus sign, you have got the answer minus 11 upon 3 x, then minus alpha beta and gamma, that is 1. I have just put out the value what was been given in the question. Now I am solving it. X cube minus 5x square upon 3 minus 11x upon 3 minus 1. Now what you have to do? We have to take the LCM. Once you take the LCM, it will be 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11x and minus 3. So finally you have got the answer, that is polynomial. You have got the answer is, when you multiply that 3 into 0, it will be 0. So finally you got the answer 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11x minus 3. So this was an answer of your getting the cubic polynomial. You can see over here. We have got the same answer. What was been given over here? 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11x minus 3. We got the same answer by verifications. So this is a way to get out the answers. You have been given, verify. Once we do the verifications, then we have to take it out a 0. Every time we have taken out the 0. Now the 3 zeros are being given. So every time, whenever you are been given the 3 zeros, take one as alpha, second as beta, and third as gamma. Alpha plus beta plus gamma, we simplified, we got 5 upon 3. Alpha beta, beta gamma and gamma alpha, we simplified and we got the answer minus 11 upon 3. And alpha, beta and gamma, we got the answer 1. Now we have put up the formula, that is cubic polynomial equals to x cube minus alpha beta gamma, alpha plus beta plus gamma x square plus alpha into beta plus beta into gamma plus gamma into alpha x minus alpha beta gamma. Now I have just put down the values. What was the value we have taken out? I put down the value over here. Once I put it down the value, I took the LCM and then simplified. Now you can see this question and this question are exactly the same. Means whatever you have got the answer was the formations of the cubic polynomial. Hope you have understood this topic. Okay. Now students, I am removing this thing. This was example number 5 of cubic polynomial. Now beta, sometimes you will be given to find out the zeros. I have explained you about the 4 zeros. There is an questions over here. Just a minute. I am making you clear of that one. It is a very important question. Now you see, one question has been given to find out the cubic one when you are being given the 2 zeros. If I am writing down the questions, very important questions over here. If 2 zeros of the polynomial x to the power 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35 are 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. Find others. In the last lecture, I have explained you how to find out the zeros when root 2 and minus root 2 or minus root 3 or plus root 3 has been given to you. But you can see over here, it is in 2 form. That is binomial. So how we will get out? You see over here. The 2 zeros, because you are having the power 4, the 2 zeros are being given to you. In this type of questions, what we will do? First, we will consider let alpha equals to 2 plus root 3 and beta equals to 2 minus root 3. Now, I am doing the additions. That is alpha plus beta, so 2 plus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3. So we got the answer 4. Plus minus cancel. Now I am doing the product. Alpha into beta, that is 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. Means a plus b, a minus b, that will be a square minus b square. So 4 minus 3, 1. Now student, this is exercise 2.2, question number 2. You have been given the sum, you have been given the product. Now you have to form a quadratic polynomial. So quadratic polynomial, I have explained you, x square minus sum x plus product. X square, what is the value of sum? Minus 4x plus 1. So x square minus 4x plus 1. So you have got the divisor. Now students, we have got the quadratic polynomial. Now what we will do? We will divide this number by this number. I am doing the division. X square minus 4x plus 1 when been divided by x4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35. Now I am doing the simple divisions that I have explained you. It will be x square, that will be x4 plus minus 4x cube minus will be plus x square. I am changing out the sign, minus plus minus. This one is cancelled. Minus 6 plus 4 will be minus 2x cube. 26 and 1 minus 27x square. We carry down 138x minus 35. I brought down the, from the top we have brought down the number. Now what is the sign over here? Minus. Written down the minus. 2x cube, it is over here x square. So we require 2x. So minus 2x cube minus minus plus 8x square and minus 2x plus minus plus. This one will be cancelled. 27 and minus 8 will be minus 35x square plus 148 and minus 35. Now what I will do? We will carry this sign, minus sign over the top. Minus written down. X square is here. We require only 35. So minus 35 x square minus minus plus 140x and plus minus minus 35. Again changing the sign, plus minus plus. In the last lecture I have explained you, in this type of questions we will always get the remainder 0. Now you can see we have got the remainder 0. Now what about the other two polynomials? Two zeros. So this x square minus 2x minus 35. Now we will do the factorizations of this one. So x square minus 7x plus 5x minus 35. 7 5s are 35. 7 minus 5 will be minus 2. We are doing the middle term split. Now what is the common between the two things? X. So x minus 7 plus 5 is common. X minus 7 equals to 0. X minus 7, it will be written one time. And x plus 5 equals to 0. So therefore x equals to minus 7 will be plus 7 and plus 5 will be minus 5. These are the two zeros and two zeros are over here. So therefore all zeros are 2 plus root 3, 2 minus root 3, 1 and 2. 1 and 2 have been over here and 2 we have taken out. 7 and minus 5. So now you can see how many zeros are there. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have got the 4 zeros. So this is a way, if you are getting the two zeros been given and you have to find out the two other zeros, you have to solve by this way only. Okay? Hope you have understood the topic very clearly. Thank you everyone.